Hello students, welcome to English Pros class. Today we are going to start Unit 2, How Things Work. Activity 1, New Words. Before beginning this task, make sure that you understand the words and the meaning in how does it do that. Part 1, did you find any new words such as reflect or photons or angles that you need help with? If you know them, can you help other classmates to understand? Use a dictionary or talk to classmates until everyone understands the new word. Let us discuss these words. Reflect, to throw back the light, heat, sound, or any image from a surface. Photon, an elementary tiny particles of light. Magnify, to make a thing look larger than its original size. Zoom, in and out, to make the image of something or someone appears much larger and nearer or much smaller and further away. Activity 2, how does it do that? Have you ever wondered how a mirror works? Why does it look like you are inside the mirror when you are not? Why does it look backwards? How can the mirror make someone things look bigger? For example, side mirror in some cars says objective in the mirror are closer than they appears. How can that be? And what about a magnifying glasses or the zoom on a camera or a microscope? How can these work things look bigger than they are? The side mirror on a car is typically a convex mirror. A convex mirror gives an upright though diminished image. Also, it provides a wider field of view as it is curved outside. The image on a convex mirror is always virtual, means the rays haven't actually passed through a image, their extensions do, like in a regular mirror. Diminished, smaller, and erect means upright. As the object gets closer to the mirror, the image gets larger until reaching approximately the size of the object when it touches the mirror. As the object moves away, the image smaller in size and gets gradually closer to the focus until it is reduced to the point in the focus when the object is at a large distance. Activity 3. This articles begin by asking questions about how the things work. It asks about the mirrors, magnifying glasses, cameras, and microscopes because all these things depend on light. Let's write a new article about electricity. Let's 4 things that depend on electricity. Number 1, microwave oven, refrigerator, 3, television, 4, washing machine. Write 4 questions like the one in the article about the 4 things you listed. What is the difference between a microwave oven and the ordinary oven? Second, how does the cooling system works in refrigerator? Third, what is the difference among the LCD TV, LED TV and plasma TV? And fourth, how does a washing machine operate? Activity 4, how does it do that? Part 2. The answer to all these questions are found in how the light works. We know that we can only see things when there is a light, right? Some things like light bulbs and fireflies make their own light, but most things do not. So how do we see them? We see them because they reflect light. Light is energy made of many very tiny parts called photons. The photons of light hit things and bounce back just like a ball does. If the things they hit is hard or smooth like a mirror, almost all the light's photons bounce back. The photons bounce back to your eyes. If all the photons bounce back, we see the things that looks just like the surface. But if the things is soft or not smooth like a blanket, fewer of the photons bounce back, and they bounce back at a different angles. When the bouncing photons enter your eyes, we can see the shape of the things they bounced from. So the everything you see is really just bouncing photons showing you the shape of the things they hit. So the first part of how does it do that has many questions like how a mirror works, and the second part begins to answer the questions like the things like stars and fireflies shine with their own light, but most other things don't. The photons of light hit the things and bounce back. If the things the photons hit is hard and smooth, all the photons bounce back and the things look like a plain surface. But if the things the photon hits is soft and rough like a blanket, the fewer of the photons bounce back at a different angles. When these bouncing photons enter your eyes, we see the shape of the things they bounced from. So that everything that we see is really just bouncing photons showing us the shape of the things they had. Now you understand the article part 1 and part 2. In a similar way, we done already the part 1 in activity 3. Now in activity 5, you have to do the part 2. So try to do it by yourself. I will provide the PDF. Thank you.